Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and today I want to have a bit of a chat with you about another project. You see, this has been cropping up a little bit on Telegram, and I've even seen people messaging me on Twitter, asking if I've seen the BitcoinV Wallet. Yeah, I've seen it. Haven't installed it though, but yeah, I've seen it. Anybody who's used any of the Android or iOS wallets, it's going to look kind of familiar. In fact, we can even click on this to bring it up, and yep, that looks really, really familiar there. Look, there's even a DigiID logo there. There's no dandelion though, so we know roughly where they got the code from, where in time, which repo, for example. But yeah, this looks kind of familiar. I'm not out here now advocating anybody go and obviously install it and try it out. I know absolutely nothing about it. But I've had a lot of people immediately coming to me saying they can't do this, they can't copy it, it's not right, this is a scam, this is not safe for people. Actually, this is how we started off with the DigiByte wallet ourselves. In fact, what I'll do is I've even got here some old screenshots, and you can see here, so this is the original Bread wallet, kind of small obviously. Can I click on that? No, it's not going to zoom in. That's okay. We also have Litecoin's Loaf wallet. They look pretty damn familiar, especially seeing as this down here is what we also used to look like. It's identical to these two. We've just got a different gradient up the top here. Like that's literally the only difference. Now, why is this, you may ask? Well, it's because we use the same code base in exactly the same way that Litecoin is also a fork of the Bitcoin code base originally, and same for DigiByte. We have also used the Bread wallet code base. Now, this is all that these people here have done, is they've used our code base instead of the original Bread wallet's code base. I'm presuming because we've gone and tidied it up a lot, and this is actually a really huge testament to, especially to Noah, Frederick, Yoshi, and the likes, and especially to the community who've gone out and translated it into 50 plus different languages. We've actually got a really, really damn good code base there to work from. So in fact, what you can do is if you go to the github.com/digibyte-core/digibyte wallet-android, you can actually see, so this is the code base here, and if you click on here where we've got fork, you can click on where it says 329. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take you through and you'll be able to see all of the projects that have forked from the original Bread wallet here. Now, we are definitely in this. If we have a look for DigiByte, so we can see here, look, we've got DigiByte Core, we've got a couple of others that have forked off that as well. Interestingly, down here as well, we've got the Vert wallet for Vertcoin. They've actually gone and also forked it. So we can go and we can get curious, we can have a look here, and we can see changes for Vertcoin, and presumably what they've done is they've gone and done a find and replace for the word DigiWallet and replaced that with Vert wallet, and same for DigiByte and replaced it with Vertcoin. And sure, why not? There's nothing preventing them from doing that, and to be honest, I think that's actually a really good thing overall, because as they come across issues, as they make improvements to it, they can then send them back to us and say, hey, look, guys, we've made some improvements here, and we're looking to send it back to the DigiByte wallet for Android. So yeah, look, DigiWallet for Android, that's how similar it is. But again, so I would encourage people, don't specifically, just because they've gone and used the same code base, it doesn't immediately make them a scam. Now, it doesn't also immediately make them a valid project at the same time, so I'm not suggesting that you go and throw a whole lot of money at BitcoinV, and look, to be honest, you don't even need to install it. But I just want to reassure people that, look, it's okay for other people, other projects and the likes to go ahead and use the code base. It's exactly what we've done, and it's part of the whole open source ethos behind Bitcoin, behind DigiByte, and behind this whole cryptocurrency movement. So yeah, that's a great thing. I just really wanted to briefly talk about this. Now, I've actually been having a bit of a chat with Noah and with Yoshi about some of the developments and things. So for some of the people who've been asking, we've been doing a lot of smaller tweaks for Android, just keeping things fine-tuned, I suppose, for DigiAssets, refining it, getting rid of some of these smaller little issues that pop up from time to time. It is being worked on for iOS. We do not have an ETA at the moment, but I was actually talking with Yoshi even just last night, specifically about the BEC32 implementation. Now, that is the address format which starts with DGB1, as opposed to just starting with a capital D. So the reason that we want to do this is because it's going to be more optimized, more streamlined in terms of the data that it uses and stores on the blockchain and things. And so there is a bit of work there still to do before we get the iOS release out and about. So there is no ETA. Asking for an ETA is not going to get one, unfortunately. It'll be ready when it's ready. It's just the nature of any kind of open source development like this, where people are donating their free time in their evenings. Again, so big thank you to Noah and Yoshi, especially for all the hard work they've been putting in as of late. One more thing as well, I was watching a little video this morning. Just want to give a little bit of a shout out to the crypto mug investors for their impromptu TA, I suppose. Look, they're definitely not offering trading advice or anything like that, but if you are interested in a great video that will get you excited about DigiByte, their enthusiasm is contagious, and I would encourage you to go and check that out, support their channel for your daily dose of Moonboy nonsense. Their words as well, not mine, but it's a great watch. Go check it out. I'll include a link in the description below. Anyway, that's all from me for today. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to sing out in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like, subscribe. You can catch me on Twitter otherwise. I'm at DGB_chilling. Or otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.